I'm Dr. Ruth Wonfor and I'm an animal scientist at Aberystwyth University. Our food systems need to change in the future, and cellular agriculture and cultured meat has the potential to provide us with alternative protein systems for our future food production. Firstly, we want to investigate the cell source for cultured meat production. We're going to be working with the social science arm of the project to understand a cell source that is going to be commercially viable, that people want to eat. But we're also going to be understanding how those cells work. So we're going to understand the biology of them, what makes them efficient in the laboratory, how can we make them as good a source for cultured meat production as possible that's going to be as efficient to produce as possible, but also ethically sourced and sustainable. We're then going to move on to understanding those media formulations. So we'll want to know exactly what those cells need, the nutrients that they need, the energy sources and so on, and exactly how much they need. So what we want to produce is a media formulation that again is sustainable to produce, but also that's going to make those cells as efficient as possible and make sure that they can produce as much of a good nutritious product as possible as well. So at the end of this project, what we want to be able to produce is a cell source which is going to be commercially viable, that people are going to want to eat, but also that is going to produce this really nutritionally dense product that's going to give a good protein source for our diets in the future. If you want to know more about the project, then please do get in touch with us.